Hi, I'm Barry Money with LeakMaster, and I'm here to show you a short presentation on our Ethernet IP option, how it works, and the benefits of it.
In this example here, I have a Micrologix 1100 PLC, and I have a LeakMaster 600 PD pressure decay leak tester with the Ethernet IP option installed. And this is actually a remote monitoring software that we have for controlling a leak tester from a PC. And I'm using this so you can see the leak tester and the PLC code working together simultaneously. So as you can see, I've got control over the leak tester, and this is my live online session of RSLogix 500. And the current ladders that we're looking at are messaging instructions that are messaging back and forth, sending and receiving out to the LeakMaster device over Ethernet IP. This code, this program, is provided on a USB drive. When you receive a LeakMaster tester, you receive a USB stick, and it has this program on it. So if you're doing a leak testing machine and you're integrating a LeakMaster tester and you're writing your own machine code, you can simply copy and paste these two ladders into your PLC program and quickly get this thing up and running. All we're doing is doing messaging, reading, writing on this Ethernet IP ladder. The LT logic, it actually stands for leak test logic, is a little sequence that we developed for quickly starting up and doing your start stops, program selects, maybe capturing a little bit of leak rate data, stuff like that. But it's designed for you, for an integrator, a machine builder, to write their code for their machine, and whenever you've got all your seal cylinders extended, all of your automation has taken place, you can simply execute this ladder. It's going to start the leak test sequence for you. It's going to select the program that you tell it to run, and it's going to determine whether it was pass, fail, and we can go through that here in a minute in more detail. But I just want to quickly show you when this thing's functional, up and running. Here's my current test pressure. You can see my current test pressure right here on my leak tester. I am going to start this sequence manually from the leak tester just to show the floating point data coming back and forth. Okay, we're at 10.8 psi, 10.9. You can see it here on the leak tester. And as we go through our test step, you can see now that we're monitoring decay, we're monitoring that pressure loss value, 0.0092. Here's 0.0092, a leak rate of 5.58, as you can see here on the leak tester as well. So you can see the floating point data coming back and forth that we have messaged over Ethernet IP from the leak tester. And I will show you an example of this nice little quick start code. If you were writing the machine PLC code and you had your part all sealed up, you would just enable this bit high, and this would execute your leak test sequence. You can see the leak testers over here starting up. It's running program 15 right now. We look at this code down here. We selected the program. We see that we're testing. Now we're looking for a pass fail come back. Here's the pass bit. It latches in that this test passed. And then you're free to do whatever control you feel is necessary on your end. This makes for a nice, easy setup of integrating a leak tester over Ethernet IP, and a pretty quick plug-and-play way of getting this thing up and going. That's the short version of Ethernet IP, and we have a more detailed video as well for doing startups and such, but this is just a brief overview of the Ethernet IP option and how it works. Thanks.